Word is born. My word is God here. When I said that I would give local businesses a plug in the shop, well, here you go. Commercial vehicle in the shop. Hometown company. Here to get some maintenance work. And no oil change is complete when you have a plastic drain plug or plastic oil pan without a new drain plug. I've actually heard of shops, and here's where they go wrong, that if these tabs break off, it's a disaster for you. So do yourself a favor. If you're doing an oil change with plastic drain plugs, just replace them. It only makes sense, y'all. And then make sure they lock in. See, that's locked in. I heard that someone did an oil change on one of these vehicles and the drain plug blew out. It didn't blow out, it fell out because it was installed wrong, or the plastic plug has seen better days. So if the tabs are missing, drain plugs just don't blow out or fall out. There's an issue with the installation and mechanic on duty, that's for sure. All right, so we're gonna drain the oil filter next. That's up here on this big old Ford. So if you guys want to watch me get dirty, here we go.
I hope you spray yourself in the face.
Well, draining the oil was fun. It was like a fountain.
Yeah.
All right, you ready for this? Let's see how much of a mess we can make. Because I never know where the oil's going to come from. Because there's a runoff tube right here, but then you see it's running out the back of the motor. How about that? On the side of the thing.
It's supposed to only go out the back.
No, because Ford engineers have a slide for it right here that the oil is supposed to come out this channel. But you see, most of it just comes out the back of the thing.
Well,
Wasted engineering, Jude.
There's a thing in the back.
They should put more thought into designing better engines and transmissions than that stupid shit.
If you look in the back, there is a funnel.
You're a funnel, Mr. Ford.
I'm telling you,
What do you guys think of Mighty Filters? All right, I gotta go. The boss is coming.